How to move Steam games to another hard drive. If you are wondering how to change Epic Games install location, then you might as well try doing some changes to Epic Launcher itself without using any other tools. First of all, what you want to do is take a backup copy of the Steam game you wish to move. Navigate to the game's install directory. Copy the games folder to another location on your computer. Then launch Epic Game and then hit Library. Locate the game, hit the three-dot button by its side and click on Uninstall. Once the game is uninstalled, click on it in your library to install it and select the new install location where you hope it to be. Once the download begins, wait until 2 to 3% gets finished, and then hit the three-dot button besides the game name and click on Cancel Install. Navigate to the new install directory you previously chose and paste the backup game folder to it. When prompted to replace any duplicate files, simply hit Replace to proceed. Paste the backup. Restart the installation. After the files get verified, you should be capable of starting the game without any hits. So that's it, and this is simply how you can move Epic Games to another hard drive. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.